London. A city where history whispers from ancient castles, where cobbled streets echo with tales of kings and queens, and where modern life pulsates through vibrant markets and towering skyscrapers. Whether you yearn to wander through the halls of Buckingham Palace, delve into the mysteries of the Tower of London, or lose yourself in the electrifying energy of West End theatre, London has something to captivate every soul. This city is more than just a collection of iconic landmarks. It's a living and breathing tapestry woven from diverse cultures, traditions, and experiences. From the bustling streets of Oxford Street to the serene gardens of Kew, every corner promises new discoveries and unforgettable memories. So, pack your bags, fellow wanderlusters, and prepare to embark on a journey beyond the typical tourist trail. We'll delve into the heart of London, exploring its hidden gems, immersing ourselves in its rich cultural tapestry, and sharing practical tips to ensure your London adventure is as seamless as it is magical. Our exploration begins with the city's crown jewels, where history comes alive in every brick and mortar. In Westminster, witness the grandeur of the Houses of Parliament, hear the iconic chimes of Big Ben, and be swept away by the changing of the guard ceremony at Buckingham Palace. Next, step back in time at the Tower of London, a fortress whispering tales of imprisonment, executions, and the dazzling crown jewels. Explore its formidable walls, marvel at the medieval architecture, and be captivated by the stories etched in every stone. For those seeking retail therapy, Oxford Street and Regent Street beckon. Indulge in a shopping spree, from high-end fashion houses to quirky independent boutiques. Immerse yourself in the bustling atmosphere, window shop like a pro, and treat yourself to a quintessential London souvenir. Feeling adventurous? Venture off the beaten path and explore the vibrant havens of Camden Market and Portobello Road. Unearth hidden treasures at vintage stalls, indulge in international street food, and soak up the alternative and artistic atmosphere. Our journey through the cityscape culminates at Greenwich, where time itself stands still. Stand on the prime meridian of the world, explore the Royal Observatory, and learn fascinating facts about maritime history and astronomy. While London's iconic sights captivate, its true magic lies in its diverse cultural tapestry. Let's delve beyond the postcards and explore experiences that will ignite your senses and touch your soul. Immerse yourself in the dazzling world of West End theatre. Witness world-class musicals like Les Miserables or The Lion King, be enthralled by captivating dramas, and experience the electrifying energy that only live performances can create. For a unique historical experience, step back in time at Shakespeare's Globe. Witness plays performed in the open-air theatre, just as they were during Shakespeare's era. Feel the power of words come alive under the London sky. London boasts a treasure trove of museums and galleries, catering to every interest. Journey through ancient civilizations at the British Museum, marvel at decorative arts at the Victoria and Albert Museum, or be mesmerized by contemporary masterpieces at the Tate Modern. Savor a quintessential British experience with afternoon tea. Enjoy delicate finger sandwiches, scones with clotted cream and jam, and a selection of delectable pastries in a luxurious hotel or a charming tea room. Experience the warmth and camaraderie of London's iconic pubs. Sample local beers, engage in lively conversations with friendly locals, and soak up the authentic atmosphere that has been a part of London's fabric for centuries. While London's iconic landmarks and cultural institutions are undoubtedly captivating, the true magic lies in discovering its hidden gems. So, ditch the tourist maps and prepare for an off-the-beaten-path adventure. Embrace tranquility in the sprawling green spaces of Richmond Park. Spot deer roaming freely, enjoy scenic walks through woodlands, and lose yourself in the beauty of Kew Gardens, home to over 50,000 plant species and breathtaking glasshouses. Delve into the opulent world of royalty at Hampton Court Palace. Explore the grandeur of King Henry VIII's Tudor residence, wander through the magnificent gardens, and be transported back in time with interactive exhibits and historical reenactments. Calling all Potterheads. Step onto the sets of your favorite films with the Warner Bros. Studio Tour London. Explore iconic locations like the Great Hall and Diagon Alley, see real props and costumes, and even ride a broomstick. Every Sunday morning, Columbia Road transforms into a kaleidoscope of colors and aromas. Browse stalls overflowing with fresh blooms, chat with friendly flower vendors, and capture the essence of London's vibrant street life. Craving an unforgettable cinematic experience? Secret Cinema is unlike any other. Immerse yourself in the world of your favorite films with elaborate sets, interactive elements, and delicious themed food, creating an unforgettable memory. Now that your wanderlust is peaked, let's delve into some practical tips to ensure your London adventure is smooth and unforgettable. Getting around London is a breeze. The iconic tube network takes you almost anywhere, while buses offer a more scenic and budget-friendly option. Black cabs, while pricier, are a quintessential London experience. Remember responsible travel practices: purchase travel cards in advance, use designated lanes, and be mindful of fellow passengers. London caters to all budgets and preferences when it comes to accommodation. Luxurious hotels offer unparalleled comfort and stunning views, while charming B&Bs provide a personalized experience. Budget hostels are perfect for solo travelers or those seeking affordability. Research beforehand and choose based on your needs and budget. Indulge your taste buds in London's diverse culinary scene. Traditional pubs offer hearty meals and lively atmospheres, while award-winning restaurants cater to the discerning palate. Bustling markets like Borough Market brim with fresh produce and delicious international food, while street food stalls offer convenient and budget-friendly options. Remember responsible dining practices: respect local vendors, minimize food waste, and opt for sustainable choices. Before you embark, ensure you have the necessary travel documents like visas and travel insurance. Check visa requirements for your nationality and obtain them in advance if needed. Exchange your currency to British pounds, GBP, for convenient transactions. Remember, responsible tourism involves respecting local currency regulations and avoiding money changes with unfavorable rates. Remember, being a responsible tourist is key. Respect local customs, dress modestly when visiting religious sites, and dispose of waste responsibly. Be mindful of noise levels and avoid littering, contributing to London's clean and green environment. Support local businesses and fair trade practices, ensuring the sustainable development of the city and its communities. With these practical tips in hand, you're ready to conquer the vibrant city of London. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel adventures. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this journey, and let's continue exploring the world, one hidden gem at a time. Remember, responsible tourism is the way to go. Leave only footprints, take only memories, and protect this magical city for generations to come.